Alright, so this is halfway through day one. Thought I'd take a little bit of video because this area is beautiful, walking through the woods and just peaceful. I am now on my own. I was with Venkat and a few others, and I waited back for Mummy, but I didn't realize she's actually pretty far back because they stopped for a bathroom break. So this is me on my own on the pilgrimage, just enjoying nature and loving that I'm out here.
For a wonderful tepla.
Thank you.
Thank you, Auntie.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yummy tepla.
Thank you for the yummy tepla.
Tepla, yum.
Mom, everybody's loving your tepla. It's a big hit, so good job.
Okay, should I stop? You're taking a video. Oh no.
Yeah, right on the side. Right here. Yes, that one too.
Get some arms on here. That's one.
There's one more, right there.
The owner is coming out. The owner is coming out, Kevin. We don't know Kevin. Oh, that pole is mine. I'll be implicated. Oh, there we go.
Get the other.
Lunch. Huh?
The high
All
one
right.
settled out.
You got a cheese avocado sandwich.
Yeah.
Avocado
We'll see.
toast.
We'll open it up.
Alright, so here we are on day 5. I didn't get any video yesterday because it rained all day. But today we're on our way to Padron. It's a beautiful path. You can see lots of people out on the Camino. Oh, and you're hearing different languages, of course. And here come our last few people of the group.
Ciao filho, Zambush, ciao.
Buen Camino.
Buen Camino.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh yeah, stay there.
So, oh, and there's Vaishu hiding behind Kevin because of this is why. Ta-da!
She must have.
All right.
She must have hidden from 100 dogs today. Is that a sound you love to hear?
That one looks a little mean.
Yeah. I know
Vish,
the other 3
how you
dogs
doing?
in the field also they look very.
Day 3. We're about an hour in. This path has been beautiful. It's been through a hillside, forested.
Swing.
No, we're not swinging.
Some of the paths of the Camino are really enjoyable because you're walking through forests. It's shaded. You hear birds. Sometimes we're going through cities where it's all paved, cars going by. But I thought I'd take a video of one of the more pleasant paths that we've been on. Weather's in the 60s, nice breeze after yesterday's non-stop rain for 7 hours. This is a welcome change. Oh, you can see me. Here we are in day 6. Most of the group went ahead. It's us and the Van Canigans. Going through a lot of the city suburb sides of Padron. Here comes our straggler. He's slowing us down, trying to keep up. You can see his gait's a little bit slower than usual.
Not fair.
Alright, so here's an example of going through a small town. Such a cute little courtyard. Of course, I'm going the opposite direction of the way. But this is what we just walked through. Beautiful home. Connected to maybe a part that's not as well maintained. Oh, rest time?
Enjoy the raspberries and the rest your meal.
I want to see some movement. Yay, look at it go. Ooh. No hands. No legs.
No hands.
Don't
Wow.
look at our. Don't make it short so our feet don't.
This is like senior citizen swinging.
Here we are, last day. Just crossed the 10-kilometer marker. So we're down to our last 6 miles. Here's some of our group coming around the corner. Final turn. No, there's probably many more turns to go. But look at them all. It's neck and neck. Vasu's in the lead a little bit. Now Rama's coming up. Oh, Vaishu's falling back. Oh, now Kevin's falling back. Okay, they're all even. It's gonna be a tight race. And the winner is?
Okay,
All of them in tie.
let's look at this.
Okay.
It is a
The shady line is the, okay.
What touches the shady line?
The shady line will be the winner. Here we go, here we go.
the winner will be
Oh,
the first one.
Vasu's getting his stride in.
What touches the shady line will win.
Will be the
Oh, and the VKs cut neck and neck.
Yeah, we haven't even gotten
Here we are with 4.5 miles to go.
maybe.
The last mile or so has been urban environment.
Like a QR
Here they come, the last part of the group. The last bit has been through some city streets. We're in Santiago.
We
You
might
can
have
see
to
lots more walkers coming up. Many, many more pilgrims. The nice thing is,
right here at the supermarket.
super clean.
now we're going to a shady path. Okay, last hour and a half to go.
Yeah.
Let them pass by, Venkat. Venkat, let them pass by.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Oh, okay. That's
Okay.
ఆ తర్వాత ఇద్దాం ఎక్కడైతే అక్కడ
Nails didn't come well.
They're going apart.
So here we are at the end of 120 kilometers, taking the final steps, all so that we could get to our destination. And there it is. Catedral de Santiago. We did it!